Hello guys, welcome to another video on basic Python algorithm for beginners. Today we'll be looking at a simple algorithm which is print machine characters. So let us read and understand the requirements quickly. So it says use a single for loop to iterate through the provided string and print all their machine characters. For example, the character that are at the same index and are equal to each other on a separate line. So you can see they giving us what the provided list, the provided string, which is what the string 1 and string 2. So the expected result should be a b b c x d. So what we need to understand is why are they expecting this result. So we need to understand the principle behind this solution. So if you look at string 1, right, at the first index we have a. Okay, if you look at string 2, at the first index we have a. So we have what? A machine character. Therefore we need to print what? A. At the second index we have what? A of string 1. At the second index of string 2 we have b. So a and b are not the same, so definitely we need to skip. Then at the third index of string 1 we have b, right? At the third index of string 2 we have what? B. So they are the same. What we do is to print what? B. So this same principle is what we are going to apply, right? And we should print what? The machine characters. So alright, one thing I want you to know before writing the solution is they said use a single for loop. So I'm going to use a single for loop to compare with the machine characters. So let us write the solution quickly. So I want you to take note of something, right? So if you look at this, right, string 1 and string 2, they both has the same length, right? So I'm going to use a single for loop. So I'm going to do for index, which is idx for my index, in a range of the length of what? String 1, since they are the same length. So I'm going to use the range of string 1, and I'm going to do this. So I'm going to get the current character in string 1. So I will call this chr1, and chr1 should be string 1 of idx. Okay, then I'm going to do same for character 2. Alright, let me correct this. Sorry, this should be len. Okay, so I have gotten the current character in 1 and 2, in string 1 and what? 2. Okay, so what the next thing I want to do is to compare. So what I will do is an if statement. So if character 1 chr1, right, is equal to chr2, right, all I need to do is to print the result. So I'm going to print that character. Okay, I'm going to print character 1. Since they are the same, you can either print chr1 or chr2. So let me just print chr2. So let me save and run this program. I'm going to run, click on my run button, and let's see if we have the same result. You can see the first character is what? A. This is b, b, c, x, d. Alright, so guys, that is all for this video. This is a very simple algorithm, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video.